Hello. Yes, yes. Yeah. So, how are you guys? This is Morris. Oh, once again, this is the Kenyan Hexagon. Yes. Right about now, we are talking about INC. INC is it's the incentive token. Like, yeah, surely this is the chart of INC, which is now the incentive token. Just to give a small background about the incentive token, this is the incentive token that validators and those people who are providing liquidity in the various liquidity pools under the PulseChain liquidity pools uh, gain or get incentivized for maintaining the network and also for providing liquidity. So this is the price of INC, and this is how it has been performing. You can see currently the price is trading at 0.4825 US dollars. So that is the current price of the INC. So we are going to do some small analysis here just to see how price has been behaving in the past. And of course, this is the lowest price has ever been since this asset was launched. So you can see this is the trend, this is the market performance, the market structure. This is how since the token was launched, it pumped, but then it has been going lower and lower. You can see now this is the bearish trend after it was launched. But again, just to explain a little things here so that you can be on the same page, the green candlestick is showing the price performance on the weekly of each candlestick here. So the green is showing the bullish momentum of the market, and the red is showing the selling momentum of the market, which is the bearish trend. Yeah, so like the way a bull attacks you from below going up, that is represented by the green candles, and when a bear is attacking you, it will attack you from the top going downwards. So that is the bearish trend, yeah, the bearish momentum, and it is represented by these red candles whenever people are selling, so or investors are selling, or whenever there is a lot of selling momentum in the market. So this is the highest price it has ever been. So we can usually just connect the very highest points, and now to the next highest point that the market had reached. So once you have connected those two areas, you are able to you are able to just a minute. Yeah, so this is a trend line just to show the highest point and the next highest point which is here. You just make sure we tap on the tips, so that is the dynamic downward trend line, which is now the resistance zone, and the blue the blue horizontal line here is showing the support, the all-time support. You can see price hour was almost nearing the lowest it has ever been. So just measuring that, you see after these assets um, were launched, there is this price discovery period up to now where you can be able to note. You can see it had dropped almost down 99.52%, but then currently it is trading at this price here, and you can see it is still 99. It is still at 99.40%. That is the price range from the highest it has ever been and up to the lowest it has ever been, almost at 100%. We are seeing this like this is a very big opportunity right now, like for any investor who is looking to do any investment into these highest appreciating assets, this is one of them. INC is very kind of undermined, like people do not give it the hype it needs, but uh, INC is a very rare game in the crypto and especially the PulseChain network. So this is the price of how it has been trading. You can see it from the highest it has ever been and up to the lowest it is right now. It is still 99.4%. That is to show that it is still very, very low. And you can see the price here, it is still very bullish, very, very bearish. And we can see right now these two candlesticks are at least trying to make a decision. Yeah, they usually look like the two rail. Yeah, so we can delete these just for simplicity. Yeah, we have already seen it is already like 99.4%. Yeah, so we've gone to the daily time frame and we are going to pull another trend line here. So whenever the market is bearish, you keep on looking at the resistance zones, because that is where the price is being rejected or being prices bouncing at, and those are zones. These are very critical zones to watch. So whenever you are analyzing this is pure price action, we are just doing like clean where the price had tipped. So you connect the the highest high or the next higher low, and this the next higher low here and the next higher low here, and now these 3 points will dictate whenever the market will try to make any attempt to reach this point. We might be waiting for price maybe to break out of it, or and retest and continue going up, or it will be rejected at this point and the market will continue going down. So this is being repeated. This is like repetition that I've seen in the price of in the PulseChain price, where the market is trying to make like a W. You can see it is like still coming up, which makes now two bottoms. Two bottoms is a signal that the market is bouncing off a strong support or a strong support zone, and that is to mean that the bulls are almost taking over the market. So there's some type of market indecision, and after the market, the bulls have, or there's enough buying momentum, uh, the price might continue pumping up. So these are just the small sentiments that we are looking at. We can go to maybe a shorter time frame just to explain everything. Like I think you are getting price is everything whenever you are analyzing these markets, because the hype that is happening in the fundamental analysis is well represented here. So this was the W that I was showing you guys. So we might be waiting now for these 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth leg now to print out and see whether the market will be rejected or will bounce off this area, or it might come and fetch some liquidity around this area before it goes up. Yeah, those are just scenarios. It might not do that. We are just anticipating, and we are here to watch how the market will behave in a few days or after a few weeks. So thank you very much. Thank you for tuning into this uh, channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow, so, and ask questions in the comment section. Ask questions so that we can be able to respond and also learn together. So this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own financial research, or maybe search for a financial advisor so that they can advise you whether you can invest into these assets or not. But yeah, do your own research and the due diligence before you invest in these volatile assets. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends.